Is your air conditioner running, but your home still isn't getting cool? An AC system that isn't cooling properly can make your home uncomfortable and increase your energy bills. The problem could be caused by low refrigerant, a dirty air filter, frozen coils, a faulty compressor, or other system issues. That's why homeowners throughout Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional AC not cooling repair services. Our experienced technicians carefully diagnose your air conditioning system to identify the source of the problem. We inspect every critical component to ensure an accurate diagnosis and an effective repair. Using professional tools and quality replacement parts, we restore your system's cooling performance safely and efficiently. Once repairs are complete, your AC can deliver the cool, consistent airflow your family depends on. The result is improved comfort, better energy efficiency, and reliable cooling throughout the summer. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we're committed to honest recommendations, expert workmanship, and dependable customer service. Don't let a cooling problem leave you uncomfortable. Why is my AC running but not cooling my home? Common causes include low refrigerant levels, dirty air filters, frozen evaporator coils, faulty thermostats, clogged condenser coils, or compressor problems. What are the signs my AC needs cooling repair? Signs include warm air from vents, weak airflow, uneven room temperatures, longer cooling cycles, higher energy bills, and unusual noises. Can a dirty air filter cause my AC to stop cooling? Yes. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, reducing cooling performance and potentially causing the evaporator coil to freeze. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.